Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today we are going to talk about how you can actually start making money online using completely free traffic. And I'm going to reveal to you a strategy that many people are starting to use and they are getting crazy results, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, before we get into all of that, we need to understand that we are living in a world where we are forced to find different ways or different sources of income that are either location free or that we can work from home. Therefore, we are actually finding different opportunities to do this kind of income and generate these kind of incomes, and one of them is actually affiliate marketing. So today we are going to talk about how you can actually start making money online using affiliate marketing. Now, the reasons behind that is, first of all, that I am a full-time affiliate marketer and that's what I know, right? But second of all, and that's the most important reason, is that affiliate marketing is one of the simplest business models out there. There are very low entry barriers and you can literally start doing it right now. All right. Now, in affiliate marketing, there is no customer service to deal with. There are no returns, no refunds for you to deal with. There is no shipping or handling of the product. And the only thing that you focus on is the actual selling part. All right. So let me just give you an example over here on our whiteboard. All right. So what affiliate marketing in a nutshell is, you have a product, all right? So let's just say this is a product A, okay? And how it actually works is that you get a unique affiliate link that is completely unique to you. Nobody else has the same affiliate link as you. That means that every action, every sale, every click is literally, tracked and connected to your account, to yourself, so you can see exactly what's happening with your link. So pretty much what affiliate marketing is that you share this link, okay, this affiliate link to people, all right? And once they actually buy, or click on this product, let's say this is a customer B, okay, or customer B, okay, customer B buys this product, you get a certain commission from this product. All right. Now the commissions obviously vary from product to product, from category, from niche to niche. Okay, but generally speaking, the average is around 30 to 50% commissions. You shouldn't go under 30 to 50%. But you can go even above 75 or even 100% commissions per sale. All right. Now, this is pretty much how the whole affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. Now, I know this is a very simplified version of it, but I wanted to save time in this video to talk about the strategy of free traffic, okay? If you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want a more detailed explanation about how it all works and what you are supposed to do, okay, in order to generate this kind of income, okay, then I have a complete 4-day video series where I talk in a great detail about all of this, what you're supposed to do, how affiliate marketing works, what is needed for you to do in order to generate consistent sales. So if you're interested in that, it's completely free and you can get it in the link in the description below. It's the first link in the description and I will see you inside of it, okay? So, let's go further, all right, and let's have a actually look at the strategy that we are talking about. So let me just delete all of this and let's start with this one, okay? So what we are going to do is we're going to, for the free traffic, okay, this is a completely free traffic method, okay? There is no ads, nothing for you to pay, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to leverage the power of social media. Okay, guys, now on social media, everybody is on social media. Everything is happening on social media. Therefore, you need to be there as well and you need to leverage the power of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the three most popular platforms, which is TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. All right, these are the three most important things. Now, if you are a little bit new to it, you might think, okay, TikTok is like maybe, just kids out there, dancing and all of that. no, it's not. Okay, I thought the same, that TikTok is just for like, you know, for fun or whatever, but TikTok is actually booming right now. All right, people are getting crazy results using TikTok, and literally you can grow from zero to a full-time income with affiliate marketing very, very fast. All right, so yes, there are people who are dancing and there are people who are just, you know, doing fun stuff, which is completely fine, but there are loads and loads of people who are actually doing business on TikTok and they are getting crazy results. All right, guys, so what we're going to do over here is we have a TikTok, okay, and now what we're going to do is you're going to create these short videos on TikTok. Okay, on TikTok you have these 30-second short videos where you create something, you know, like a content or whatever else you're going to do. Now, the key thing in this strategy is being consistent. You need to create these videos every single day. Okay, so you're going to create these videos on a daily basis, all right, on TikTok. You're going to start getting attraction, but what we're going to do next is we are going to actually redistribute these videos to other platforms. Okay, we're going to do it on Instagram. On Instagram you have these Instagram Reels. Okay, so Instagram Reels, and then we have YouTube. Okay, YouTube, and on YouTube we have YouTube Shorts, so-called. All right, now both of these, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, is just pretty much kind of like the way of Instagram and YouTube to try and emulate the success of TikTok. So Reels and Shorts are just different names for TikTok short videos. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to download the video from TikTok and redistribute it to these two platforms. Now, what these platforms are actually doing is that they are boosting the accounts of the people who are creating these short videos, okay, these Reels and Shorts, which means you can get crazy results with using Reels and Shorts. Now, I've seen it on my own Instagram account. If you want, you can check it out. It's in somewhere in the description as well. If you have, you know, the average views or average place for your Reels is, let's say, 70 views, you can get a boost from Instagram and it's going to give you thousands of views, literally thousands. Okay, and good thing about that is that it's not only at the time when you're posting it, but it can happen also after some time, like later on. You know, you post it, you don't see any specific special results, but later on, maybe a week later or 2 weeks later, month later, you can get this huge boost from Instagram or YouTube. Again, the same with YouTube. It's called Shorts, but it's pretty much the same. So you just download it, upload it on YouTube the same way as you would upload your other YouTube videos. Okay, and again, you can get really huge these kind of boosts from YouTube. Again, it can happen even after some time, like after a few months. Okay, you can see these results. So this is pretty much the strategy that many people are actually using at the moment, and they're getting crazy results, and they are growing really fast. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put your affiliate link in the description or in kind of like the account, okay, in your account on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. Now, important thing is not to put obviously directly your affiliate link. You need to create kind of like a nice funnel from it. Okay, don't put it just directly your affiliate link, because you're not going to see or be able to see the results. You're gonna not be able to track it properly, and you're not going to get the sales as you want. You need to create a complete sales funnel, all right, a conversion system, conversion model that is going to ensure that you are getting the results that you want. Now, if any of this which I just mentioned about creating a conversion model is new to you, all right, and you're just interested in what that actually is, again, you can grab my 4-day video series and I explain it completely in great detail how it all works and why it is so important to get and create your own conversion model that brings in those sales and conversions. All right, guys, so That's pretty much it for today's video. This is a strategy that many people are using, and loads of them are getting really fast results. All right. What I would just suggest you as my final line is, don't only post these videos, be engage with it and post also other content on these platforms. On Instagram, create posts, create those stories over there, engage with people. All right. On YouTube, create the normal videos, or like the traditional videos, just like this one. I personally love YouTube. I'm posting content on a daily basis over there, over here, right? And so that's going to help you really tremendously in getting better and better results. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some aha moments that, okay guys, this is something really powerful. This is something, wow, I want to do it. Alright, if so, let me know in the comments below. Give me thumbs up. Alright, subscribe to my channel. And again, if you are interested in the 4-day video series, you can grab it in the description below. If so, I will see you inside of it. If not, I will see you in the next videos. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.